Pastimes and activities. Giving your opinion.
Where should we take a vacation this year? Let's decide soon.
Well, I'd like to go somewhere warm. How about the beach? Or we could rent a cabin on the lake.
You want to go to the beach again? I want to ski this winter. How about a compromise? What about traveling to the Alps in Europe next April? We can find a ski resort on a lake.
Oh, we've never been to Europe before, but I don't know if it will be sunny and warm then. I need to do some research first. That will help me make up my mind.
Language notes. Decide is a useful verb to express choice. The idiom to make up my mind also means to decide. There are so many choices in this menu, it's going to take a while to make up my mind. Decide. You can finish the sentence with either the idiom or the verb decide. How about? This phrase presents an alternative. This phrase can be followed by a subject plus a conjugated verb or by a noun. How about we go swimming? How about a movie tonight? Many verbs express opinions: to think, to believe, to suppose, to assume, etc. They are not all synonymous. For example, to suppose and to assume express that the speaker has a preconceived idea. He came back late from work, so I assumed that traffic was bad. I suppose that may not have been the case, and that he might just have had a lot of work.